Girls, in this video we will make few programs using loop. Okay, using iterative statement. I am going to use for loop for this. Okay, the question is, write a program to print first 10 natural numbers. You all know what are the first 10 natural numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so simply we have to print 1 2 3 4 5 till 10. We have to print these first 10 natural numbers. Okay, so the program will be class, suppose name I am taking series, public static void main. Within that, what we have to do, we have to take some value from the user in this program. No, okay, we don't need to take any input from the user, as we know what we have to print. We know what are the first 10 natural numbers. So in this program there is no requirement of taking input from the user, as we know what we have to print, numbers from 1 to 10. So loop variable int I am starting this with 1, from where starting value is 1, from 1 to 10. So 1 I is less than equal to 10 I plus plus, as we have to print 1 then 2 then 3, so there is a increment by 1. Okay, so update expression will be I plus plus. What we have to print within this, system dot out dot print. Now suppose you have to print in the same line like this, then you will be writing print only, and if you have to print like this 1 2 3 4, then you need to write ln also. But here in this I have written like this, so I am not using ln statement. So print sop I, the value of I. Okay, closing brace of function, then class. So this is the program to print first 10 natural numbers. Now suppose I am saying print first 20 natural numbers. Similarly, the loop will be from 1 to 20 I plus plus. Okay, and if I say to print this series 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 like this, so this is from 1 to 13. I equals to 1, I less than equal to 13, and what will be the update expression? We are incrementing the value of I by 2. Okay, there is a gap of a number, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. So the update expression will be I equals to I plus 2. Okay, so this will be the program for that, SOP I, if you have to print this series. Okay, now suppose you have to print any series in reverse order. Suppose the same series from 13 to 1 like this, 13 then 11 9 7 5 3 1. You have to print like this. Same program within method class first, class example, suppose PSVM. Within that, for loop, from where we have to start. In this case I will be 13. We are starting from 13 to 1. We are going from greater number to smaller. Okay, higher value from higher to lower value. So not less than equal to, this will be greater than this. So greater than or equal to the end value 1. Okay, in that case, if you are moving from lower to higher value, you will be using this operator, less than equal to. But for reverse loop, okay, for backward loop, you will be using this operator. This value will be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, then difference between the numbers 2, minus 2, actually 13 minus 2, then minus 2, again minus 2. In this program, increment by 2, and in this decrement by 2. So I equals to, every time I will become I minus 2. That's it. Okay. Similarly, SOP, not ln, as we have to print in this manner. Okay, if you have to print like this 1 2 3 or 13 11 9 7 like this, then you will be writing ln also. So SOP I, only single statement is there within for, that's why I have not written braces, curly braces. You can ignore that, you can put also. Okay, then function and then class. Compile this program and run. You will be getting this series on the screen.